Have you heard about a device that can unravel the mysteries of the universe or accidentally create a black hole? Meet the Large Hadron Collider. But why did humanity need to build a massive 27-kilometer-long tunnel underground? Construction began in 1998 in Switzerland, near Geneva. Scientists from over 100 countries united for one purpose: to study the fundamental laws of physics. The Large Hadron Collider isn't just a ring, it's a massive underground tunnel stretching 27 kilometers, where protons are accelerated to incredible speeds, 99.9% of the speed of light. Inside the collider, protons are accelerated in two opposing beams, traveling at nearly the speed of light. These beams are held in a narrow luminous ring by powerful magnets to avoid deviations. The energy is released in miniature explosions, and scientists use detectors to study the tiniest particles that existed just trillionths of a second after the Big Bang. And it was here, in 2012, that a discovery was made which changed physics forever: the particle known as the God particle, or the Higgs boson. Without this boson, there would be no stars, no planets, and no us. It's responsible for giving mass to all objects in the universe. The collider operates at a temperature of -271 degrees Celsius, colder than outer space. But why do some people think the collider could create a black hole? It's a myth, but the truth is, it simulates energy levels close to cosmic phenomena. The Large Hadron Collider isn't just science for the sake of science. Its advancements already help in everyday life, from improving medical diagnostic technologies like PET scanners to creating new materials and enhancing data processing systems for space exploration. Perhaps one day, the collider will help us find answers to questions like: what is dark matter? How did everything begin? So, what do you think? Could this device one day unlock all the secrets of the universe? The Large Hadron Collider isn't just a scientific instrument. It's a window to the future, waiting for its explorers. Subscribe if you want to learn more about such mysteries.